Are you ready to shred hours off your Pinterest workflow? Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on ChatGPT-5 and Agent Mode and how it has automated my pinning process, saving me days and hours of time. Let's dive in. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I used Agent Mode to completely automate my Pinterest upload workflow. So I was invited to have early access to Agent, and this is what I did. So I've said to it first, log into my Pinterest account, create SEO optimized title, description, alt text, upload the pin, fill in the details, choose an existing board, and publish. And so it comes back saying, understood, I will log into your Pinterest account and create an SEO optimized pin with title, description, and alt text. I'll upload the pin, fill in all the details, choose an existing board, and get everything ready. I'll ask for your confirmation right before publishing. Let's begin. So to make sure that everything it was producing was on brand, I shared some branding and SEO guidelines up above. And so it says, thanks for this. I'll keep it in mind for future Pinterest pins. Whenever you're ready to upload new pins, just let me know which board to use and I'll follow your approach. So I uploaded this pin here, just here. I said, use my standard pin procedure. You choose the board, probably a certain one. Okay, then it says it worked for 4 minutes. So let's just see what it was doing during this time. So it actually talks to itself. It talks itself through the process and it problem solves as it goes. And you can see it's uploaded the pin for me. It's entered in the title and the description that it created and the alt text. It's put in a URL and it's ready to publish. It comes back and says, all details for the new Pinterest pin are complete. Would you like me to go ahead and click publish to finalize it? And I've come back and said, yes, no need to ask me in future. Please always go ahead and publish it. After I got Agent Mode to upload individual pins, I started experimenting with multiple pins. So in this case, I've uploaded 6 pins at once, and I've asked it to do the same thing, give me the title, description, alt text, and publish it for me. And it says your next batch of images has been processed according to your specifications. It's been scheduled at a certain date and time, and on the board you indicated. And then I came and it says, let me know if there's anything else I can help with. And it was so quick. It did those 6 pins, including creating the titles, descriptions, and alt text, and uploaded all 6 pins with all the information and published it for me. And this took less than 30 seconds. So I've said, have you finished already? Because previously it had taken, several minutes at least for it to complete the process. This time it was 6 pins in less than 30 seconds. And it says, yes, all of your latest images have been scheduled at the date and time I specified with the board I specified. So I asked it, are you able to go faster as we work together? Are you learning as we go? And this enables you to go super fast. And it says, I'm designed to adapt to your workflow and preferences. So the more we work together, the more streamlined and efficient the process becomes. I can apply what I've learned about your style, preferred board, scheduling windows, and SEO guidelines to get things done quickly and accurately. If you have any new preferences or want to adjust the process, just let me know and I'll incorporate that too. So that's how Agent Mode works in Pinterest. From hours to minutes to seconds, That's the power of working smarter, not harder.